Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're going to show you how to make the mechanisms that go to your power windows and or your crank-up windows, which not a lot of people still have the crank-up windows, but I'm going to share with you what we use. It's amazing. We did do a video, which you'll see in the Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and videos will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez Jorge. That's his new name. Okay, now what we're going to do is we did a video on how to do the lubrication inside the tracks here. But to make your window really fast, here's what you do. Now most of you will have this covering that will be on your door here. This is a wind barrier or sound barrier to some people. You can call it any kind of barrier you want. Now we're going to have some shadows here because we've got a lot of sunshine here in Florida, and there's nothing I can do about waking up in the morning with full-blown sunshine and 75 degrees, okay? What we're going to do is peel this off here first. Now this peels off easier when it's a little cooler out, okay? And there's a little way you do that. You reach in behind it, pull it up, and then stick your hand back in here, and then you always have your little dog, Bulbous Head here, help you. And you peel up from the inside, pushing out. Now we won't be able to hit it here because the speaker is riveted on, so we're just going to peel it up where we can get it. And if you get it where it sticks a little bit like that right there, you just pull it up, push it back down on there. But usually it'll peel right off. As I said, it does it best when it's a little bit cooler out. So we'll take that, stick that up there like this. Just stick it up there out of your way so you don't have to monkey with it. Now, it's already really fast, faster than it was before after our first video, but this is the tracks down here that I'm talking about. This has lithium grease in it and good for corrosion and a little bit of lubrication. But what I'm going to share with you is going to make this thing blazing fast. The areas you're going to lubricate are going to be this plastic slide right in here and this track. Now there's one of these forward in the track as well, and we're going to hit that as well. So our main objective is to get this right here. And we only use one lubricant on that stuff, and you'll find this right here in the show more of the video's description. It's amazing. There's nothing better than this right here. All we do is hit it like this, and if it goes down inside your door down in here, that's good. It'll help stop rust. Now I had to take the door panel off anyhow to be able to clear coat it, because you see in our other videos we clear coated the door panel on the driver's side, and it's absolutely beautiful. Spilled coffee on it the other day. It dried up in some areas, wiped it right off with a nice clean microfiber. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to find the other track. I had to sit down here. It's going to be right in here behind this panel. So what I'm going to do is spray this forward. Like I said, don't worry about getting it on your glass or it drips down inside there. It's not going to hurt a thing. All right, now the next area we're going to hit is right here, this pivot point. If you have crank-up windows, you will not believe how much easier it is to crank your windows up and down. Now I'm going to go in behind this bracket, just like that. Now I know the shadows are going to cause us some problems here, but we're going to deal with it. Now I can get this slide right here forward, so I'm going to look in there. I can see it right there. And I'm going to do the upper part of the track up in there, and so it'd be up in here at the top and the bottom. And then we'll hit this one more time. And you work it back and forth a few times. Now, there's another one right here. You see this move? Watch this move. All right. So that one we've got to hit. And what we'll use is a longer straw when we do these. All right, here's our long green straw. And here's what I like to do with them. I had to show you the struggle at first because that's usually what most people go through. You just warm it up a little bit like this. You can bend it like that. Let it cool down. It'll stay like that. Then I can come in just like that and spray. And a good other thing that you can do, now if it's too long and it hits, this part's too long here, you can trim some of that off. Another thing you can do is clean this up with Old 99, that nozzle tip, and clean this up right here, and super glue, put it just on the outside, don't get it in the hole, and super glue it into the top. This is one that will not fit that bottle, but it is super glued with some baking soda on it, and it's really long. We don't need it that long. It will not fit that bottle. So we'll take our tubing cutters, cut that. We'll spray this down with some Old 99, clean it up, and you stick this in there like that. Spray it again. Spray it down again. Take the best super glue in the world. All you do is make sure that it's dry in there. Put your super glue around it like this. Take your baking soda, dump it on. Blow that off. I like to do it a couple of times. I like to get it to run down the tube. Keep moving the bottle up and down to keep it on the tube. You only have a limited time to do it. There. Now, that will not come out of there. You always got a good lighter on hand. You'll need a little arc, just like this. Hold it where you want it for about maybe 30 seconds. There it is. Bound determined to get the inside of this track. Okay. So now all I have to do is take this, stick it inside the track where that slide is, and watch. I'll spray it up before that. I can get up at the top, I can get at the bottom, and I can get the slide. I'm putting extra. You don't have to put this much in. I'm just doing it for the video. So now it's completely greased up, everything. I'm just going to spray a few other areas that have working mechanisms on it. I might as well get up here and spray the door handle. I might spray the door lock while I'm at it. Get in there and spray the back of the mechanism. Like I said, there's nothing better than this when it comes to this job. Oh, and I got a new tire shine protectant. You're going to be blown away with it. It's a tire shine and protectant. It doesn't sling and it lasts for a very, very long time. I don't know of any other that's like this product I'm going to be sharing with you. Okay, and make sure you check out Sweet Scoots on YouTube if you love motorcycles. All right, now I'm going to work that a little bit. I sprayed it. Now we're going to go down, up. You can see it running out there, out of the track. The whole track is greased up nice. And it's getting faster as we go. And this is without the motor running.